Okay, everybody, listen up. This road should take us straight to the human house.
So how far is it from the road to the house, do you think?
Not that far, really. The only question is, how flooded is it? That's a good point.
Well, I'm gonna remain optimistic. We'll get to take in no time. I'm with you, Sil.
Hey, guys! We're heading right for a waterfall!
Red Pollywocks! We have to make the turn! Ease the sheets and get ready to jibe!
What?
Ease the sheet and get ready to jibe!
What did you say?
Loosen the ropes and turn the sail!
Oh no!
Look out! Man overboard! Find the port! Find the port! Turn the boat!
Guys! We're running out of river! That's all right, because all we need's a little. Rosetta, come grab my feet! What?